A very good day to all of you folks. Welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. My name is Obake. On this channel, I bring you lifestyle vlogs based on my miscellaneous daily experiences. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. And if you don't, oh well, please indulge in any case. Subscription is free, by the way, and your indulgence helps me keep creating more content. Please like the video and hit the notification bell to stay updated for when I upload new videos. Now, take a look at this. Good morning, everyone. I am now starting part 2 of the Ezilalini content. It is the morning. The time right now is 7:38. I am busy making porridge. It's soft porridge. It's dudu. For everyone or whoever wants, because not everyone eats porridge, guys, or cereal. Abantu, they start eating at 10 o'clock. So whoever's gonna eat that, I'm making for them. But I know that the kids are definitely gonna have porridge. I'm also gonna have porridge. Then after my porridge, I'm gonna have some coffee. Right now, I'm just having my warm water. I'm about to have. I literally took one sip. I'm about to have my warm water. So I'm gonna have warm water, soft porridge, then coffee, and then my morning will be complete. Make it seem so real.
Indian Ocean.
But I'll Port Edward. If you see again was an inconvenience with that.
Utena kanani nabuya sala.
Usala kanjani? Apha endlini. Ucimba kuzoqhuba bani? Asabi ngeveni yakhe.
Kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi le phone ikusingele kodwa ndikubona upheka?
Kaloku ndiya vlogga. Andithi ndiyibeke in a position mama uba ivele isebenzisa le camera le ingasemva. Okay guys, I was saying please don't skip the ads when you're watching the vlogs. Okay, my soft porridge is almost ready. Guys, when I'm saying isidudu, I'm referring to soft porridge. We call it isidudu in Xhosa. Okay, ready. Bano isidudu. Wena uzusitya?
No.
Okay, utata yena ndiyamazi uba utya ngo-10.
Kodwa ke namhlanje asityi Wednesday.
Abehlele ngasitya cause sifake ubisi. Bezingasambalanga. Okay, ake ndim nabantwana ke. Okay, isidudu sam ready. I'm about to dish up. And then uSmakoti uvukile. So uSmakoti uvukile bethunana. I even forgot. Izolo she promised me banana bread.
Yes.
Oh, man, sorry, I'm being rude. Good morning, Nako. Unjani namhlanje? Ndiphilile. Awulambanga? Not yet. Hayi sanalamba isirusi ready. Hey, lempukane. So uSmakoti ke ngoku promise me banana bread ne?
Yeah.
Banana bread izolo.
Banana cake or whatever. But
Yeah. She came back very late from work.
Yeah.
And then I think ebese libela qonda basana awukazulibala ka lonto amkhumbuza. So ke ngoku uyobhaka yona. Ebese sendilibele namhlanje.
Sorry,
Ndilibele kaloku sana mina ngoku.
I don't forget, I promise. Then we are baking. We're gonna bake with Anako. So we're gonna start baking Mogu and then hopefully it's nice. If it's not between
Nizayitya nodwa kalo.
you're gonna force yourself.
Nakho if imbi nizoyitya nodwa ne?
The pressure.
Guys, mandiniyeke niphake ndiyogqibezela pha phezulu mna. I'm just ngizophaka. Yasifuna isitutu. Uyasitya isitutu.
Don't have to let that. But I can.
Ngizokupha isincinci. Guys, ngicela nimbuke umuntu umhlaka akahlambi nobuso akacukuci.
Guys, I'm so sad.
Yes, I'm trying to keep it up here. Do you want me to show them? Izovela xa sele ugqibile. Do you want me to show them?
It's not showing, Jenna. It's showing this.
Okay, guys, we are having a bun in the oven. I was trying to keep it.
It's showing, Jenna.
As a fine, at least we saw.
My stomach is lazy to show.
No, your nana knows when to show and when not to show. Uyazifihla baningenaphi.
I think because at least I don't have to buy as many clothes.
Oh, in terms of change, ne?
Yeah. At least some of my clothes.
Show us again.
Some of
Ke
my
apron eshwabeneyo. As if ndiya ayina mna. Hayi guys, bethunana mandiphaka isitulo. I am preparing to cook supper. So I am just here to get spring onion. I'm making beef. I'm making beef, beetroot and mashed potato. Yes. So I'm gonna use the spring onion for the beef. Good morning, guys. It is yet another day. The time right now is 8:44 in the morning. So I'm just about to have my warm water. Let me just quickly do that before. So I'm just gonna have my warm water here. After my warm water, I'm gonna have my coffee. Let me just I'm gonna refill this with these beans, then I can throw this away. So I'll have my coffee. But while we are still on that, umama sevukile waqhala inkukhu, guys. Ndizawupheka umleqwa ke ngoku for supper. For supper today we are having spinach and fresh spinach from the garden. And then so some spinach, umleqwa and carrot. I said carrot. Yeah, I think that will do. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be cooking. I'm not cooking now though, but I think this one I'll just boil it now because I'm just gonna boil, add salt, nothing fancy. And then the spinach and the carrots I can make them later. I'll show you guys when the meal is done. I'm not sure what I'm doing for the day. But also, guys, let's show them my outfit, Luvo. So this is my outfit for the day, guys. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Banda. So underneath, I'm wearing a long-sleeved t-shirt. I just need to button those. I can't button it. I'm waiting for someone to help me. So yeah, and then so this dress, you guys know this dress. You've seen it so many times. Then amakosha, and then I'm just wearing my. Is it batu or no? Yeah, but I'm wearing this sneakers. Andre, which one is this? Batu, and what's the other one?
Yeah.
Yes, this is batu. Oh, the other one is drip. So this one is batu. Yes, I'm wearing batu, and then I'm rocking my apron, which was made by my sister. I think 2022. She made me this apron, babes. And here I'm wearing this green duke, which I'm still gonna fix it, guys. I was just in a hurry to come make breakfast for little human, so I just put this thing like this. But I don't think it's gonna fall off. It's very loose. Then yeah, that's my outfit for the day. I might throw in a jacket because banda, but for now I'm still good. So yeah, guys, let me have my water, coffee later, and then I'll see what happens during the day. Thank you so much to Budluvo behind the camera. This one is mine, eh?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Guys, breakfast. This is the first meal of the day. I didn't end up having my coffee earlier because we got to eat breakfast. Okay, let me rather wait for breakfast. So breakfast, I'm gonna oh yes, I'm gonna add one or two, I think 2 slices of bread because I'm not gonna have lunch. Fruit. I'm gonna have this nasi sonka, and then coffee and then see at dolopin.
Yes,
You know, 2 minutes.
running late.
Yeah, but guys, 2 minutes on my end in the coffee. Man, fast. Just guys, can you see this? The footprints, Zekati Ezi. What was it doing here? Okay, fine. I get it that my car is dirty. Yeah, you see, you can see now properly. I get it that my car is very dirty, but dude, like, what are you doing in my car? Hey, bo. Wow.
After we leave. Oh, it's not working. No, it is car. I left the remote in the car.
Akahlamba ngayini ngibona emhle kanje. Okay guys, we're going to town. Kukho lo ufuna uhamba andimazi buyaphi. Yo, sana uzodikwa. Hey. Nana, Budluvo wants you to stay with him. He wants to play with you. Please go back to Budluvo. Yo. Ngena ke suka. And put on your belt, please. Hi. Okay guys, siyaphuma ngoku siya edolophini. Ndihamba noSimakoti. Qheke ngoku le nto yam le iphukile andikwazi umveza right now. Ifocuse kum. Thank you Budluvo. So ndithini xa ndibuya ndithini masa ndihude? Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. And then yo. Oh, mute. Ayizudlala lo phone na cause akusekho Wi-Fi ngoku, there's no connectivity. So guys, yes, we're going to town. Siya ebhageni.
Yeah.
Okay, and then uSimakoti uzoshika itown imnyama nabamnyama. Guys, niyabona ke ngoba ndizambile ndiphinda ndathwala imnyama akhame kancinci. Nebona ndiye ndaphenda ndazama ukuthwala still ke. Ukuthwala yonto yam guys, and then ndifane namacipho so at least ngondingulamakoti. Still andikayiqhoboshi and ndiyokunoqhoboza xa ndifuna ukukhulula ndizosokola because xa ndihlamba izitya at least I can just do this. So andikayiqhoboshi le nto ndiyekile, but yeah, let's go to town. And also guys, I want to cook. uSimakoti uthi masingapheki khona umngqusho. So linda umama abuye kwintlanganiso yakhe asixelele ba which one do we do. But yeah, let's go now. Wow, they're actually 100.
I think it's 82 rand. I think it's the right
Oh,
size.
let's go by. You want the tag?
I think it's the right size.
Yeah.
Uzobonela umuntu okhayibhe umnye this colors. Masithatha ezimishweni.
Yeah. What do you want? Oh.
Ufuna ntoni na? Ufuna ntoni? Jonga. Suka.
Yeah.
And then we are good. I think we are done.
Hi everyone, it is another day and I've just finished making supper. Let me just quickly show you guys what I made. I made chicken. This is the chicken that you buy from town, right? And then this is cabbage mixed. I mixed the red and green cabbage, and then this is the chicken yala emakaya umleqwa hard body. And then some potatoes, and then broccoli. So broccoli, I wasn't gonna make it until Mama said there's too much broccoli in the garden and we need to make use of it. So the sandoyenza, and I cooked it with chicken gravy. Hence you see this, because I was just like I wanted flavor. So this is chicken that you see here. I used chicken gravy. So yeah. I'm done for today, so I'm just gonna dish up bukiwe. Oh, also why there's two chickens is because Lena ayikho ninzi, so that if abantu they don't get enough, actually a person will choose whether they want this one or they want this one. This one I didn't really cook. It was in the freezer. It's been in the freezer, so I just sort of like revive anyana. Yabo. So yeah. Good morning, guys. Yo, I go early. The time right now is 6:10. I just got up. I'm about to take a shower. This is town, but I thought before I get ready, let me do the outro for this video. This is part 2 of Islalini vlog. So I'm closing this one here. Then I'm gonna start a new one because I'm going to town, and you guys are gonna find out in the next vlog why I'm going to town. Who am I gonna be meeting up with? So stay tuned. Do not forget to like this video. Do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and share and drop a comment. Until the next one, you guys take care, and I love you so much.